Good morning, it's another day from paradise. We just woke up here and today we are going to the cave pool. It is only a 2-minute walk or something, so let's go. I really love banana trees and look how small they are here. And look how gigantic they are here at this side. We arrived. Let's go. Today is a Friday and on Friday and Monday you apparently can't swim here. It was 30 pesos each to pay the environmental fee. So you can go on every beach in Enda, and it was 50 pesos each to go to this cave, and we can still swim tomorrow for free. Hey, hello. Oh wow. Is it deep? Oh, it is deep. Oh wow. It's so blue and greenish. Wow. And that over there it's really dark.
Yeah, because the sun is not shining on it.
Exactly. It is really nice.
Would it be a problem if I jump right now?
I won't say anything. Oh, Fleur. You have so much bad luck this holiday. First you stood in the mud. And now you're standing against a freshly painted fence. Oh, oh, oh. Alright, let's go to the beach. Let's go! It is so beautiful here. We are chilling at the swim pool right now, and I'm editing some shorts. And we have a beautiful view over here. And in a few minutes we're gonna walk to the same restaurant as yesterday and gonna grab a pizza because we are hungry. We haven't eaten all day. Ham and cheese pasta, ham and cheese pizza and iced coffee. Look how many bananas.
A lot more bananas.
Oh wow, there are a lot of bananas. Take one, take one. It's for free. These are small, but these ones are quite big. I'm not sure whether it's ripe, but I believe they will stay greenish. Or will they also turn yellow? Also yellow? These cute chickens. They're so tiny. I hear a lot more. Ah, over here. Aww. These are the houses they live in. The real local houses. Oh. I walked past my resort. It's already here. We've had a chill day at the swimming pool today, and now we're gonna walk to the small village for some food. There flew something on my head. I don't see what it is.
Maybe he's gone. Is het ook een vliegende kakkerlak?
What is it?
Het is een tor.
It's a weird animal. I heard it flying on my head. I was like, I'm not gonna move. Fleur was like, whoa, that's huge. Wow, it's okay, it's okay. They just keep their goats on the leash right there, which is very normal. We have to walk for 25 minutes total. Don't eat us. They got a leash. This is the main city here. It's not very big. Here's the food center. Maybe we're gonna eat there. Looks good. It's real different than what we're used to. To my Filipino followers, I see a lot of these. What are they saying? We don't understand it, but we heard them writing all day. This is a church, I think. And kids' playground. We've been hearing this the whole day. I think it's a ceremony or party today or something. It's been going on all day. It's beautiful here.
Lekker zand.
It's powder sand. It's huge. At the end of the day it's low tide here, because in the morning it's until here. So maybe we find some animals here. Some crabs.
Hey, we talk about it.
Hey,
I see it.
crabs.
Oh, now he's under.
It looks like a spider.
Maybe it's a spider crab.
Yeah, probably. It's so beautiful here. It's 5:30 now. There are so many, I have to be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's crazy. There's so many. Oh, this is a big one. This must be the male. There are so many sea stars here. You can just see them. Oh wow, this one's moving a little bit. Fleur, this one's moving.
Ja, starfish are moving.
Wow.
Deze was net ook aan het bewegen.
What are these things, guys? Let me know. It looks jelly. The Filipino market. This is where we need to take the bus in a few days, I think. We got our dinner, a banana smoothie for me, and a mango banana for Fleur, some rice, and garlic chicken. Enjoy it! This is mushroom sauce or something.
Yeah.
Really good. I'm a Filipino now. First not. The food was good. Now we're at a little market here to buy maybe some fruit. 200 for a watermelon. I'm not sure if it's normal price. These are spicy. Oh, I ate those. She cut it up for us. How does it taste?
Really sweet. Really sharp.
Nice. Give me one.
You want to try the big one?
I want to try it. Good. We are back in the same store and I'm looking for a new snorkel set because the goggles I have, I think they are way too small. It keeps fogging up. Maybe this one. It's only €7.50. I was walking outside the house and look, this gecko here, and also one here. You see the head coming out? Hello, big guy. Don't jump on me, okay? Don't jump on me. Okay, I'm watching this Kevin Hart comedy show, and I bought this yogurt flavored water, 0 sugar. And it is amazing. It's very good. Definitely try it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and tomorrow we will go to this amazing cave pool. Bye bye.